Superhero from Legendary by round number 13 in OP Swiss in PD World Blitz here. So it means without between from this Legendary Grandmaster Ukraine is Vasil Ivanchuk from faces by this one in Hungary from Grandmaster Adam Kozak. So what do you think of this one with problems, many bad move, mistake without run X or worse, and also blunder ratio. So what do you think of this one with studying of this one with analyze of this chess game? So let's see of this one with puzzles here. White pieces by super legendary Grandmaster Vasil Ivanchuk in Ukraine and black pieces by Hungary Grandmaster Adam Kozak. So I'm sorry I got suffering by diarrhea because I'm stomach ache, so it means not feeling well. So it means so without continues without time clocks within 3 minutes plus 2 seconds in PD World Blitz Championship without standings after round number 13. So white plays Chucky is d4, knight f6 by Adam, c4, e6 is Indian defense, knight c3, and also pawn d5 by Adam, and also bishop f4. It is called by openings is horse Swiss attacks here without horse Swiss attacks variation here, and also bishop d6 without diagonals with dark square without bishop to bishop, and backwards by Chucky bishop g3 without controls with backwards castle kingside by Adam, and also pawn e3 without openings with pawn c4 without defense by bishop f1, and also b6 by Adam without next by fianchettos with light square bishop b7 without bad bishop, and also captured with Chucky, takes by Adam, and also bishop d3 by Chucky, and also pawn c5 without precious attacks with d4 pawns, and also knight ge2 without knight ge2 without preparing by coming by next castling kingside by Chucky here, and also bishop takes captured takes. So this is a damage full by Agnes pawn structure. So it means so for me so why don't you try knight capture without bishop? So it means it is okay by normals here. So this is a continuations from these solutions here. So it means so need more choose by Chucky is captured by damage full by Agnes pawn structure, and also pawn h6 by Adam, and also queen d2 without openings with queen with Chucky without next by castling queen side here, and also knight c6 by Adam here, and also pawn f3, and also pawn a6 with Adam. So this is a given bad move of this computer engine from this GM Adam Kozak. So the best move this one is knight b4 here. So knight b4 is a right move of this computer engine. So according this one by etc etc, so this is a slightly better for blacks. Okay, so back there this one is pawn a6 by Adam here, and also king f2 without king's Indian. So this is a novelty by Chucky with worst of this move here without database here. So without old main lines here by simplified castling queenside here is a old main lines by recording by database here with chess.com. Without second is king f2 novelty. So this is a worst move from GM without super legendary Vasil Ivanchuk here. So this is a X move, and also rook e8 without more by this one rook e files here, and also rook ad1 without queens behind the rooks with Chucky, and also c4 without Adam without threats the bishop backwards with Chucky, and also b5 without next by plans with pawn a5 here, or maybe next by this one with pawn b4. So this is a strongest move here, and also a3 because without a3 without no more by this one with b4 because these are the connected by this a3 white pawns with Chucky. So it means so this is a no more chess clock. So this is a technical errors from this clock. So this is a problems of this one with tournaments. So it means this is a technical errors from this one with chess clock. So no need by this one with timers with chess clocks here. So let's continue a3 from this Chucky here, and also rook b8 without more rook b5 with Adam, and also knight f4 with the controls from this one with Chucky here, and also a5. So without plannings with Adam, next by pawn to b4 with strong move here without threats the knights here, and also Knight h5, good process by Chucky without threats the knights here, and also bishop e6 without movement from this one with light square. So this is another bad move by Adam. So the best move, this one, strong b4 here. So this is a strong move from this computer engine here. So if you capture this pawn with 8x b4 and also knight captured. So this is a slightly better for blacks here without continuations here. Okay, so back there, this one is bishop e6 by Adam and also knight e2 by Chucky. So the best move, e4. So e4 is a right move here, so it means these are the continuations here. If you knight captured h5 here and also rook captured knight. So this is a good slightly better for whites here from these controls, from these determinations here. Okay. So back there, this one is knight e2, worst move from this one with Chucky, and also good move b4, very strong move by this one with Adam Cossack with that attacks this pawn, captured. So this is a poison move from Chucky. So the need more best, closest, semi-close, a4 here. Pawn a4 is a semi-close from this ones of this computer. So this is a goods for whites here. Okay, so back to this one is capture this pawn and also e takes b4. So this is a third bad move from Adam Cossack. So another third bad move. So the best move, this one is knight captured h5 here again. So knight captured h5 and rook captured knight here. So this is a good ones of this computer. So this is a slightly better for blacks here. So need more controls from this one with determinations here. Okay, so back there, this one is captured with b4 with Adam Cossack and also knight ef4 without good precise, without idea, with threatening the bishops here. And also king f8 without property active by Adam Cossack and also g4 by Chucky here without defense the knights and also knight a5. So many bad move what happened by Adam Cossack. So this is a fourth bad move of this computer. So need more best, better is push b3 here. Push b3 is a good ones of this computer engine. So this is a controls. So slightly better for blacks here. So back there, this one is knight a5 with Adam Cossack without plans with b3. Dot next by b3 here and also queen c1 with the defense the pawn. So another worst move from Chucky. So need more best is strong g5 sacrifice with the threats the knights here. So if you move by this one with pawn c3, double attacks with pawns and queens and also queen c1. So this is a defense of this ones of this computer. So this is a goods for slightly better for whites here. So back there, this one is queen c1 with the defense of pawns and without c3 without capture this pawn. So this is a brand X. So the best move is knight to g8 here. So knight g8 is a good ones of this computer engine. So this is a slightly better for blacks here. So this is a goods for determinations here. Okay, so back there, this one is pawn c3 with that attacks this pawn, captured, knight c4. So what happened? Many poison bad move. So many reigns of this bad move from this Adam Cossack. So given by bad move. So it means that the right move of this best computer engine is captured. Capture these pawns and if queen takes captured and strong by rook to b3. So this is a ones of this computer. So this is a goods for blacks here. Okay, so back there, this one is knight c4 with Adam Cossack, captured with Chucky, rook captured, and also rook de1, and also rook b2 check, and also king g1, and also knight captured, good precise by Adam Cossack, and also rook captured, and also queen b6 without continuations here with more controls with Adam Cossack without upcoming by next captured by bishop with threats the queens here. And also Bishop d3 without more pressures by Chucky without threats the knights here. And also, knight d6. So what happened by Adam Cossack? So it means blunder ratios from this one with black pieces. So look at evaluation bar, very low and highest by black pieces. I mean, highest from white pieces. Sorry, I got wrong from these notes again. So it means without highest with white pieces and lowest from blacks here. So it means that the best to one's computer this one is pawn g5 here. So pawn g5 is a right move with the threats the knights. So if you bishop captured with knights here, and also pawn captured with knights, and also backwards bishop f1. So this is a good slightly better for blacks here. So it means not knight d6 here. Okay. So back there, this one is knight d6 by Adam Cossack, and also queen c5 without queen to queen. So this is a worse move. So another worse move from Chucky. So the best move need more controls. The best is knight captured pawns here. So knight captured pawn sacrifice here. So it means if you queen b3 with the threats the bishops here, and also knight to f4. So knight f4 is a once of this computer. So it means so this is a slightly better for whites and blacks here. So back there, this one is queen c5 without queen to queen. Queen takes accepted, bad move. So the best move is g5 again. What happened by Adam Cossack with the threats the knights here. So this is a goods for blacks here from this slightly advantage here. Okay, so back there, this one is queen captured without accepted without queen to queen, captured without threats the knights here, and also knight c4, and also pawn e4 without pressure, without attacks with pawns here, without bad pawns, and also captured without threats, without threatening the bishop and pawns with double attack. So the first guessing puzzle. So what do you think about the best solutions from Excellent by super legendary Grandmaster Vasyl Ivanchuk in Ukraine? So the ones of this computer engine. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. Is knight captured bishop, excelente sacrifice with Vasyl Ivanchuk. So it means if you capture this one with knights or rook captured, so it means bishop captured knight. So this is a knights with excelente sacrifice with knights here. And with that, Adam Cossack is rook captured with sacrifice with knights, and another excelente good precise by Chucky is bishop captured good move with the threats the rooks, and captured with e takes f3 here, and also without e takes f3 without upcoming by this one with rook captured with check here. So without checks here, and also without move by rook takes accepted, and rook captured with the checks here with Adam Cossack, and also king f1 captured with rooks, and also c6 almost by this one with Chaku without promotes by pushes by c7, promotes by this one c8 queen here with coming by queens here, and also king e7 by Adam Cossack, and last shot c7. So this is a Adam Cossack is resigns of this one with Hungary. So why he resigns? Because so if you king d7 only move be with Cossack, and also rook to c5 without defense with pawns. So if you rook e2 here and without promotes with queens, so without check, so unstoppable by this one, lose from blacks is game over. So it means so the score from this one with Chucky 88.4 and low satisfactory by Adam Cossack 78.1. So the winner of the super legendary Grandmaster Ukraine Vasil Ivanchuk here. Congratulations. So before I end of that, so it means, so this is a story from this one with top 3 of this analyzed with woman Grandmaster Jennifer Yu in FIDE World Blitz Championship 2025. So I will analyze of this soon of this one later on. So I hope of this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luagi 17, aka iCoolMark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of this next chess update. So I will analyze of this push by photographers with Magnus Carlsen with round number 7 in speaking Tagalogs here. So I will continue from this one with upload from this YouTube here. So have a good day and sayonara, bye bye.